Yo, hey, welcome back, everybody. Hold up, man. Make sure I got my water bottle. I need y'all to grab y'all's right now. If it's not by you like it should be, I'm going to give you some time to go ahead and grab it. All right, y'all should be good right now. I know I don't give y'all enough time, but y'all should always have that water bottle next to you. Y'all need to stay hydrated. Y'all ain't drinking enough water. So what we're going to do right now is what we've been doing in the past couple videos. We're going to take a sip. So get your water bottle, get your jug, whatever it is that you have, and take a sip with me right now. Let's go. All right, go ahead and close your water bottle up. Put it somewhere next to you, anywhere. I don't care where you put it. Put it somewhere. Let's get into this fire video. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you all are having a super fantastic day. Thank you for stopping and clicking on this video right here. You're getting ready to feel all this energy and all these good vibrations. If you're new around here, my name is Patrick II. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for coming across my video, however you came across it, whether it was recommended to you or somebody told you about me, however you found out about me and my channel. I appreciate you being here. If you enjoy the energy, if you enjoy the vibrations that I'm getting ready to bring you, make sure that you hit that subscribe button before you leave. Leave a like for your boy as well. Any type of support that I can get, I appreciate it very, very much. And I don't do a lot of promoting for my podcast, but I do have a podcast that I do called the Super Energetic Podcast with your boy, Patrick II. I have the links to those in the I can never say in the description. In the description. Make sure you go down there, check out one of those links. I'm on Apple, I'm on Spotify, I'm on the new podcast app called Anchor. I'm on every single app that allows podcasts to be on there. Make sure you check me out. Those of you who like the podcast form, I think you'll enjoy those. It's just me, pretty much what I do in the videos, but in a longer segment. I'm able to elaborate a little bit more. Not saying I can't elaborate on the videos, but I like to keep the videos short and straight to the point. The podcast is where I kind of open up a little bit more about certain topics and certain things, and pretty much just giving y'all my viewpoints and hopefully giving y'all something that y'all can take and apply into your own life and make your life 20 times better. But enough of all the shameless plugs. For today's video, I want to talk to you guys about charging your battery. No, I'm not talking about phone. I'm not talking about your car battery. I'm not talking about your headphones. I'm not talking about none of those things. I'm talking about your own human battery. We live in a world today where people are going crazy if their phone's on 3%. Man, I need to find a freaking outlet, man. I need to find something. My phone's getting ready to die. I need something. I don't know what I'm gonna do without my phone. My laptop's getting ready to die. I don't know what I'm gonna do without my laptop. Y'all ain't got no outlet. What the hell's wrong with y'all? It's 2021. I need that. That's how most of y'all are right now. I guarantee it. Some of y'all gonna get it defensive, like, nah, Pat, you don't know what you're talking about. You know how I know? Because I'm just like y'all. I've had my moments plenty of times. Phone getting ready to die, and you scrambling. You like, where's the charger? I need to find it before it dies. I just want to tell y'all, just because we're human beings, we're not so different from our phones and our cars and our headphones. If you use your phone too much without charging it, it's eventually gonna die. And what happens to the phone when it's getting below 20%, below 15%? The phone's not working as fast as it normally would. It's, apps aren't opening up as smoothly as it would. The screen's going dark, it's going dim just so it can preserve some battery for you. Same thing with your car. If you don't have any gas in your car, the gas light's gonna come on. If you keep going and going and going without charging your car, if you have an electric one, or putting gas in your car if you have, just a regular old car, the car's gonna die on you. It's not gonna be able to go anywhere. And it doesn't matter how nice the car is, it doesn't matter how nice your phone is, without any juice, those things aren't gonna work properly. And the issue with the world today is that our phones and our cars are more important than ourselves. These materialistic things that we're so attached to are more important than our own human battery. Some of y'all have been around the same people for 20 years and you don't even realize that they draining the life out of you. They just sucking every bit of energy up out of you. And you don't even realize. But let your phone be on 3%. You're gonna go head over heels to find the outlet. You're gonna make sure somebody, if not yourself, has a charger. If your car is on E, that gas light comes on, you go, like, man, where's the nearest gas station? And just like the phone and just like the car, if you don't have no juice, you're not gonna work properly. We're so focused on going 100 miles every single day. And I get it, because we live in a time where the stigma is you got to get everything fast. Everything comes to everything fast, like social media, things are coming out fast. People are literally blowing up overnight. I know that's been the same for a while, but people are literally posting one video, posting one whatever, and they're blowing up overnight. And they're able to make money off those videos. They're able to make money off the content that they create. They're able to make money off the tweets that they put out. And it's happening so fast, and everybody feels like, oh, I gotta get it. I gotta get it. I gotta go 100 miles an hour. Like, what's the point of sleep? What's the point of rest? I don't care how much energy you think you have. Everybody has to have a point in their life where they recharge. We cannot go 100 miles per hour. You're gonna run out of gas. You're gonna crash and burn. That's not healthy. I don't know who told you that it was. I don't know, where you got that from, but you need to recharge. This is coming from Energetic Pat, the dude with a whole bunch of energy. The fireball energy, the Energizer Bunny. That's what people call me, literally. And there was a point in my time where I felt like I had to live up to that. Like I had to go 100 miles per hour 24/7. And what people didn't know, I was killing myself every single day to try to keep up this 100 miles per hour. And then behind closed doors, I can't think clearly. My body is not functioning the way it's supposed to function. I don't get sick often, but the times that I've gotten sick in the past, it's been because I've been going, not getting enough rest, not getting enough sleep, not taking enough time for myself. And all of a sudden, my body, even though it's been telling me for a while, like, hey, bro, we need the rest. Take some time away real quick, recharge us. And I kept going, I kept pushing. You know what happened? My body told me, you know what? All right, since you don't want to rest, we're going to force you to rest. Here's a sickness for you. Here's an injury for you. Here's a clustered mind for you. Here comes this weird, body not functioning properly. Like, here comes all of that. Some of y'all getting sick all the time because you're not giving yourself time to recharge. Your energy is drained every single day because you're around the wrong people. You're around the wrong things. Look at the things that's going on. And then you'll start to realize, like, man, that person, even though I've known them for a while, even though they're a family member, they just been a leech to me. All my energy, I've been giving it to them, and they're just draining me. Any chance that they get, I'm helping them all the time. When they need some money, they come to me for help. When they have a problem, they come to me for help. And because you have a good heart, because you're a good person, you feel like you need to help them all the time because you've known them for a while. You feel like you need to get involved in a certain situation because you really mess with the people. And I'm here to tell you that just because it's a family member, just because it's a group of people that you've known for a while, doesn't mean that they deserve your energy all the time. I'm gonna keep it a stack with you. And I'm always gonna look to be transparent because I never wanna come from a place like I know more than you, or I'm better than you, or like I have it all figured out and you don't. But experience is the best teacher. All we have to do is pay attention to the things that are happening to us. And you'll start to realize patterns. I crash and burn. I had no problem going at 100 miles an hour, but I'd always crash and burn. Always. The Energizer Bunny, crash and freaking burn. And I feel that's what we have in society today. We have a lot of Energizer Bunnies, people that, hot start, like they get out blocks fast and they going, but they not taking no rest. They don't know that they killing themselves every day just to keep up with everybody else when they got their own lane to focus on. And you know what happens? The longer that you push yourself going 100 miles an hour and you don't take no rest, your crash and burn period is gonna take a little longer to overcome. You'll start to realize that too, the more you look at the things in your life and the things that you've been doing, the things that you're involved in, the people that you're with. Like, you'll start to realize that, man, every time I crash and burn, like, it's taking a little longer for me to get through that. Your body isn't gonna recover the way it wants to recover. Your mind isn't gonna, be the way that you want it to be. It's not gonna be as clear. Your soul and your spirit, it's not gonna be as, pure and full the way it should be because you've been trying to go 100 miles an hour. You've been trying to be this Energizer Bunny for everybody else. And I get you. I feel it because you feel like I have to. Like, if I want to make it, I got to go 100 miles an hour. And I'm here to tell you that when you crash and burn, there might not be nobody to save you. No one else can charge your life the way you charge your life. People are gonna use you until they can't get nothing left. And when you used up, it's almost like that Capri Sun. They got all that juice in there and people are squeezing the life out of that Capri Sun. And then what happens when there's no juice left? They throw it away and they go to the next one. People are gonna use you up if you allow them to. And once it's over, once it's done with, they're gonna throw you away. They're not gonna care about how you feeling after that. They're not gonna care about you being drained. They're like, oh, you drained, I can't get nothing from you anymore. All right, that's cool. I'll go to the next person. Let's see how much energy I can get up out of them. Let's see how much I can get out of them. I know it ain't cool. I know it sucks, but that's the real world. There's people out there who genuinely only want to see what they can get from people. And it comes in many different forms. You just have to watch and tread lightly. Even with the people that you call family, there's some family that are out there and they just want to get something from you. You gotta pay attention, you gotta watch. I hope this video today whipped y'all into shape, and I hope y'all understand that charging your battery is very, very important. If you don't charge your battery, who will? You've been out of gas, you've been out of juice. That's why you can't focus clearly. That's why your body is breaking down on you, because you're not taking the time to recharge. You're not taking the time to fill up again. Even if that means you got to get rid of some people, so be it. What's more important, you having everybody like you and you've helped out with everybody's problems, and everybody else is enjoying your time, enjoying your presence, but you ain't recharging and you killing yourself every single day, but everybody else is good. Is it worth it? Is that important? Is that the most important thing? Is it them or is it you? That's the question you got to ask yourself.